In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove ChatGPT hidden watermark. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to start off, there isn't a confirmed hidden watermark added to normal text copied from your normal ChatGPT responses. OpenAI does use some detection and metadata systems internally for safety research, but regular pasted text usually does not contain a secret tracking watermark you can visibly remove. But if you are seeing odd formatting, boxes, backgrounds, or even metadata when copying content, it's usually caused by rich text formatting, browser clipboard data, PDF export metadata, AI detect assumptions, and zero width Unicode characters from websites and tools. So now here's the easiest way to clean copy paste. So we can go ahead and follow this. So I'm just going to paste this here. So we can paste this as plain text. So this strips formatting and hidden styling. So on Windows, you want to go ahead and click on Control Shift V, and Mac, you want to click on CMD plus Shift plus V. Then you want to go ahead and paste this into a notepad or a text editor in plain text mode. Then go ahead and copy it again. Now, if you want to go ahead and remove metadata from PDFs or docs, so if you exported a PDF or docx and want to remove author app metadata, for PDFs, you want to go ahead and open this up in Adobe Acrobat. So go to File Properties and then click on Remove Metadata, or print the PDF as a new PDF. Now in Word docs, we can also do this. So click onto File, Info, check for issues, and then Inspect Document.